Alright, y'all. Back again with another video. Let's see what's in the box. Alright. So that favorite logo, one of the favorites. But I know what's in here. Let's just show it to y'all. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's safe and good. So you got the Air Jordan Retro 5s. This is going to be called Fresh Prince of Bel-Air edition, alternate. So they come with laces already. You know, sneakerheads like to swap them out. They already come with them. So that's what's good about these. Also, you know, the 5's been coming out with the Grapes all year. They had another version of these, but I think they're in some different colors. These are the latest ones. But honestly, I'm about to resell these just because nice shoe. It's not my complete style, but some things I do like about them. Your uniqueness. You got the two pairs. You got the the two pairs, the two shoes, but two different tongues. So you got the pink, neon green there. You got the laces where you can swap them out. You check out the tongue matches the 23 on the side. Neon green on that side, you know, very unique in that fashion. Just the leather on these. In person, man, you have to like really see it, but in person it's pretty nice, man. Pretty nice. That canvas is really smooth. So yeah. But another unboxing. Fortunately, not gonna keep these for the collection, but you know, just have to show them real quick because you know your boy's always taking L's on these sneaker wraps, but I got these, you know, so. We'll see see where they find a home, you know. But hope you guys are being safe and taking care of each other. Until the next time, talk to y'all later.